Hi, welcome to Concepts Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss RBI circular as part of general awareness. Let us start. Who chaired the 41st meeting of SARC Finance Governors Group, which was held virtually on 1st and 2nd March of 2021? And the answer is Sri Shaktikanta Das, the Governor of RBI. We'll discuss more about SARC Finance. SARC Finance is a network of central bank governors and finance secretaries of SARC region, and the current chair of SARC Finance is the RBI Governor. From 1st of April 2021, Governor of Maldives Monetary Authority will be chairing the SARC Finance. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation was established in 1985 and 8 member countries are India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Maldives and Pakistan. Please try to remember all these countries. Next question. What is the full form of OIS rate? And the answer is Overnight Index Swap. Which bank have been primarily responsible for an accelerated growth in credit to agriculture and service sector in the recent period as per RBI? The answer is public sector banks. Next, dash rate is a measure of market expectation of the money market rates. The answer is overnight index swap. Next, what is the full form of PBR? The answer is price to book ratio. Next, what was the theme of report on currency and finance for the year 2020 to 2021? The answer is reviewing the monetary policy framework. Next, Dash is the core banking solution of Reserve Bank of India. The answer is eKuber. Next, Reserve Bank has decided to conduct simultaneous purchase and sale of government securities under open market operations for an aggregate amount of dash each on March 4th, 2021. And the answer is 15,000 crores. As per WTO February 2021 estimates, by 2030, global trade growth would be dash percent higher annually on average because of the adaptation of digital technologies. And the answer is 2%. In which year Bombay Chamber of Commerce and Industry was established? The year is 1836. This is very important as it was completing 184 years. Next, Reserve Bank of India has announced Digital Payment Security Controls Directions 2021 are applicable for which entities? The answer are scheduled commercial banks excluding rural banks. Next, small finance banks, payment banks and credit card issuing NBFCs. Next, RBI released Draft Reserve Bank of India Credit Derivatives Directions 2021 under dash section of the RBI Act 1934. And the answer is section 45W. Next, who is the head of the committee of an expert committee on primary urban cooperative banks constituted by RBI? The answer is Sri N.S. Vishwanathan. Next, where is the headquarters of Financial Action Task Force, that is FATF, on money laundering? The answer is Paris, France, and the president of FATF is Marcus Player. Next, Banking Ombudsman Scheme was first notified by the Reserve Bank in 1995 under dash section of the Banking Regulation Act 1949. And the answer is section 35A. Reserve Bank has decided to conduct simultaneous purchase and sale of government securities under open market operations for an aggregate amount of dash each on February 25th, 2021. And the answer is 10,000 crores. Reserve Bank of India has observed Financial Literacy Week from dash to dash in 2021. The answer is 8th February to 12th February and the theme is credit discipline and credit from formal institutions. Next, what is the full form of NSFR? The answer is net stable funding ratio. Next, What is the full form of FCCB? And the answer is Foreign Currency Convertible Bonds. Reserve Bank of India cancelled the license of Dash Bank in Kolhapur, Maharashtra. And the answer is Shivam Sahakari Bank Limited. Next. Reserve Bank of India has imposed a monetary penalty of Dash on Bank of Maharashtra for non-compliance of its order. The answer is 2 crore. Reserve Bank of India has imposed a monetary penalty of Dash on Jilla Sahakari Kendriya Bank, Maryadit, Siddhi, Madhya Pradesh for non-compliance with the provisions of Banking Regulation Act 1949. And the answer is 1 lakh. Next. Reserve Bank of India has imposed a monetary penalty of tax on Standard Chartered Bank India for non-compliance with certain directions issued by RBI. And the answer is 2 crores. Reserve Bank of India introduced RBI Digital Payment Index, which comprises of dash parameters. And the answer is 5 parameters. We'll see what are those 5 parameters. One is payment enabler, payment infrastructure demand side factors, payment infrastructure supply side factors, payment performance, consumer centricity, and the base year for the digital payment index is March 2018. Next. Reserve Bank of India has imposed a monetary penalty of dash on Bajaj Finance Limited Pune for violation of directions issued by RBI. And the answer is 2.5 crore. Reserve Bank of India has cancelled the license of Dash Bank in Usmanabad, Maharashtra. And the answer is Vasantadada Nagari Sahakari Bank Limited. Next. Reserve Bank of India has imposed a monetary penalty of dash on Deutsche Bank for non-compliance with certain provisions of directions issued by RBI. And the answer is 2 crores. Who is the chairman of Working Group on Digital Lending, including lending through online platforms and mobile apps constituted by RBI? And the answer is Sri Jayant Kumar Dash. Reserve Bank of India has cancelled the license of Dash Bank in Karad, Maharashtra. The answer is the Karad Janata Sahakari Bank Limited. Reserve Bank of India has cancelled the banking license issued to Dash Kolhapur Bank, Maharashtra under Section 22(4) of the Banking Regulation Act 1949. And the answer is Subhadra Local Area Bank Limited. Reserve Bank of India has imposed a monetary penalty of dash on Central Bank of India for non-compliance with certain provisions of directions issued by RBI. And the answer is 50 lakhs. Next. Who is the chairman of Reserve Bank Innovation Hub to promote innovation across the financial sector by leveraging on technology and creating an environment which would facilitate and foster innovation? And the answer is Sri Senapati Gopalakrishnan. Lakshmi Vilas Bank Limited has been amalgamated with Dash. The answer is DBS Bank India Limited, which is a subsidiary of DBS Bank Limited, Singapore. Reserve Bank of India has imposed a monetary penalty of dash on Jio Payments Bank Limited for non-compliance with RBI directions. And the answer is 1 crore. Reserve Bank of India has observed Resilience Awareness Week from dash to dash. And the answer is October 27 to November 2nd, 2020. And the theme is Resilient India, Prosperous India. And M. Rajeshwar Rao took over as the Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank for a period of 3 years. So if you like our videos, please subscribe to Concepts Hub. Thank you.